Welcome to Eyesuite Biometry. This segment will illustrate the length measurements such as central corneal thickness, anterior chamber depth, lens thickness, retinal thickness acquired using the lens star. All length measurements are captured along the patient's visual axis, thus produces highly accurate and reproducible measurements. Lens star utilizes optical low coherence reflectometry to achieve all length measurements, which is a technology similar to time domain OCT. Each scan is composed of 16 individual measurements. These measurements are acquired using the 820 nanometer superluminescent diode. The Eyesuite software offers variable measuring modes, including regular eye, aphakic, pseudophakic, and silicon oil fill. 5 sequential scans during the capture process are recommended to obtain more data points. The measurement range for axial length is 14 to 32 mm. For lens thickness 0.5 to 6.5 mm, ACD 1.5 to 5.5 mm, and for CCT it's 300 to 800 microns. Lens star is capable of measuring keratometry, white to white, pupillometry, pachymetry, anterior chamber depth, aqueous depth, lens thickness, and axial length measurements during the same session without the necessity of changing software parameters or devices. These important data points are needed for advanced IOL power calculation formulas such as Holiday IOL Consultant, Olsen, Barrett formulas, and it's especially important for the IOL calculation for hyperopic eyes. The single acquisition process saves valuable time by streamlining your examination process. All length measurements are displayed in the Eyesuite results overview page. A speciality is the ACD measurement, as it is separated into CCT from the epithelium to the endothelium and AD or aqueous depth from the endothelium to the anterior surface of the lens. AD and CCT measurements are separated to grant the user the capability of independent analysis. For IOL calculations, CCT and AD are combined to provide the user ACD anterior chamber depth. By selecting any of the length measurement values, the user can open a new window displaying all of the individual length measurements values from the biometry acquisition. From this screen, the user may select individual measurements to evaluate independently. Measurement data can be excluded entirely by unchecking the box to the right of the measurements. All length measurements, such as axial length, lens thickness, and central corneal thickness, may also be excluded individually with a right-click of the mouse. Excluded measurements will remain in a database and are not permanently deleted. To manually adjust the lens gates along the A-scan, it's strongly suggested that the user magnifies the area intended for manual adjustment. To magnify, simply click on the magnify icon. This will give the mouse cursor the appearance of horizontal arrows pointing left and right. Then simply left-click and hold to highlight the area to be magnified. Letting go of the mouse button will enlarge the highlighted area. After magnification, only the highlighted area will be displayed. To modify the length gates, place the mouse cursor over the gate. This will give the mouse cursor the 4-direction arrow appearance. Left-click and hold to move the gate to the preferred location. Letting go of the mouse button will reposition the gate. Adjusted results will have the notation of a hand pointing down. They will also be displayed with an asterisk on both the A-scan screen as well as on the results overview page. To exit the magnification screen, simply press the icon label to 1:1. Right and left eye overviews will open independently.